Do you know you can make liquid soap at home with just 4 simple ingredients? And it is very easy, even if you have never done it before. In today's video, I will show you a very simple method using SLS, Texapon, salt, sodium sulfate, a little color, and a glycerin. You also need a very clean water, of course. Start by pouring your 5 liters of water into a clean bowl or bucket. Then from that 5 liters, take a small portion of the water aside. Add your SLS into the small portion of water you set aside. Now stir it very well until it is completely dissolved. Once it is well dissolved, set it aside while you prepare the next step. Still from the same water, take a little out of it and dissolve your color in it and set it aside. So first, go in with your salt. The salt is about 250 grams. So pour the 250 grams of salt into the main water. Stir very well until it is completely dissolved. Next, go in with your sodium sulfate. Add it into the mixture and stir it properly until it is fully mixed. Now add your Texapon, also called foam booster. Pour it into the same water and mix everything together very well. After mixing, allow it to sit and settle for a few minutes. You can also cover it lightly at this stage. Once the soap has rested for a few minutes, next, go in with your dissolved SLS solution. Add it gradually into the mixture. Stir very well as you add it so everything combines properly and becomes smooth. Next, we are going to add our color. Use your already dissolved liquid color and pour into the solution. Stir well so the color mixes evenly into the soap. Next, we are going to add glycerin. Glycerin is added to the soap to make it milder and gentle on the hands, especially if you have a sensitive skin. So pour in a small amount of glycerin into your mixture and stir very well until it is fully combined. After mixing all the ingredients of the soap properly, cover the soap and allow it to settle. Let it rest for a few hours, or better still overnight, so all the ingredients can blend properly. Now let's talk about the usefulness of this liquid soap. This soap is very good for washing dishes, cleaning utensils, and general household cleaning. With consistency and good packaging, you can actually turn it into a small source of income. All the ingredients used in making this soap can be found in any chemical shop around you. They are easily available and not too expensive. For this 5 liters batch, the total cost is about 3,500 naira to make, depending on your location and where you buy your chemicals. So guys, this is a very simple and affordable way to make liquid soap at home using just a few ingredients. If you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY recipes and tutorials. Also, drop your questions in the comment section if you need any clarification. I'll be glad to help. See you in my next video. Bye.